Everybody knows from where we have to do?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So now this woman, she comes and she comes and sits near this little girl Wali, and Wali does not like her at all. And now this woman, she's trying to be sociable, okay? Means she's trying to mix with the girl and ask her whether she's traveling all alone or so. Yes, I'm traveling alone, she answered curtly. Curtly means in a very rude manner. And I have got a ticket too. Yes, she's on her way to town, said the conductor with a 30 paisa ticket. Again, the conductor, he interrupts, interferes, and he answers that, of course, she's traveling all alone and she's on her way to town and she had paid 30 paisa for the fare. Oh, why don't you mind your own business, said Wali, but she laughed all the same, and the conductor laughed too. Now, Wali, she did not like the interference of conductor, but and she told him to mind his own business. But the conductor, on listening to the small girl, started laughing, and Wali, she laughed with the conductor. But the old woman went on with her drivel. Okay, with the drivel means all the silly talk that the woman was doing, silly nonsense talk. Is it proper for such a young person to travel alone? Do you know exactly where you are going in town? What is the street? What's the house number? अब जैसा कि कई औरतों की आदत होती है, similarly this woman also, she began all the with all the silly nonsense कि uh, is it right for such a young child to travel all alone? And does she know exactly where she's going? Okay, and she knows the street, the house number, or so on. You needn't bother about me. I can take care of myself. Okay. अब वाली जो थी वो थोड़ी इरिटेट हो गई और कहती है you do not need to bother about me, I know how to look after myself. And then she turned her face towards the window and she started staring out. Okay, she just looked outside. Why? She wanted to avoid any further conversation with this woman. Followed up till here, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Her first journey, what careful, painstaking, elaborate plans she had to make for it. She had thriftily means meaning has been given, spend money carefully, save whatever stray coins came her way, resisting every temptation to buy peppermints, toys, balloons, and the like, and फाइनली शी हैड सेव्ड अ टोटल ऑफ 60 पैसा. अब वो मनी मन सोचती है कि उसने innumerable amount of effort she had put, okay, to make her plan successful. She had saved every coin, okay, that she got, tried to control herself, tried to control her tongue. She did not buy peppermints, chocolates, toys, balloons, or whatever she liked. And finally, she was successful in saving 60 पैसा. समझ गए? अपने आप को उसने resist करा है. She controlled herself from buying any other things that a child loves, a child likes. Okay? And in this way, she saved how much? 60 paisa. How difficult it had been, particularly that day at the village fair. But she had resolutely stifled a strong desire to ride the merry-go-round even though she had the money. और फिर वो सोचती है कि उस दिन कंट्रोल करना है ना. After so many efforts, she saved the money, and when she went to the village fair, she saw the merry-go-round. She wanted to ride, but anyhow, she controls her emotions. She controlled her desire to ride on it. Otherwise, she wouldn't have been able to save money for the this thing for traveling in the bus. After she had enough money saved, her next problem was how to slip out of the house without her mother's knowledge. Now, anyhow, she was able to save the money better. Okay. But the next problem was how to slip out, how to move out quietly. Mother should not know. Okay. How to move out quietly. right from the house. But she managed this without too much difficulty. But finally, she manages this also without any kind of difficulty. Every day after lunch, her mother would nap from about 1 to 4 or so, है ना. अब एवरी डे लंच के बाद जैसा कि होता है जो हाउस वाइफ्स होती हैं, they just take what rest, they take a short sleep, जिसको नैप बोला जाता है. 1-2 घंटे वो सोती हैं. ओके, तो अब इसको मालूम था कि मदर भी 1 बजे से 4 बजे तक she used to sleep. Wali always used these hours for her excursions as she stood looking from the doorway of her house or sometimes even ventured out in the village. अब ऐसे ही होता है बेटा, जब बच्चे मम्मा लोग दिन में सो जाते हैं, what do the children do? This either they watch TV, they play something very quietly, okay, or they just move out of the house and they just roam about here and there or play with their friends. So similarly, this also happened with Wali. कि जब भी माँ सोती थी from 1 to 4 o'clock, either she used to stand on the doorway, she used to excursions are the outings, okay, good outings के लिए वो बाहर चली जाती या doorway पे खड़ी हो जाती थी. Yeah, she used to venture into the village. यानी village में घूम घाम के आ जाती थी. Today these same hours could be used for a first excursion outside the village. Okay? और आज उसने सोचा कि आज उसका एक्सकर्शन क्या रहेगा, आउटिंग क्या रहेगी बाहर के लिए, कि बाहर की ट्रिप क्या रहेगी, कि वो आज जो वो स्पेंड करते थे स्टैंडिंग ऑन द डोरवे और moving out in the village, what she will travel by bus. She will enjoy the traveling. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Now the bus rolled on, now cutting across a broad landscape. Now, yes, now rushing through a tiny hamlet or past an odd wayside shop. Now the bus, it was reach an area. A bare landscape is what? An area that does not have any uh, trees and all. Okay, got it? जो खाली लैंडस्केप होता है ना, जहाँ ज्यादा पेड़ एड़ कुछ नहीं होते, खाली टाइप. And now rushing through a tiny hamlet. Okay, hamlet होता है बेटा, it is a settlement. Okay, with few houses, जहाँ पर कुछ houses दिखते हैं उसको hamlet कहा जाता है. और past an odd wayside shop. Okay, और बड़ी odd सी shop थी. Okay, it crossed a small settlement and then an odd looking shop. It crossed, the bus crossed. Sometimes the bus seemed on the point of gobbling up another vehicle. ओके, अब ऐसा लग रहा था जैसे कभी कभी तो बस जो है गॉबल कर लेगी. गॉबल मतलब सोलो या ईट कर लेगी, राइट. क्योंकि वो हाई स्पीड में थी बस. गॉट इट. ऐसा लग रहा था जो ऑन कमिंग व्हीकल्स है, जो व्हीकल्स आ रहे हैं उनको इट विल ईट इट अप. So it seemed to her that it was on the point of gobbling up another vehicle that was coming towards them, or a pedestrian, one who walks on foot, पैदल चलने वाले, crossing the road. Now see, the bus was in such a great speed कि वली को ये लगता है कि जो सामने आने वाली गाड़ी है, तो this bus, it is going to eat it, eat, समझ गए, जैसे उसको खा जाएगी या उससे भिड़ जाएगी, या कोई पेडेस्ट्रियन जो पैदल चल रहा था. But lo, somehow it passed on smoothly, leaving all obstacles safely behind. But Wali, she was thinking about it, and finally she says that it crossed all the things very safely. Okay, did not have any obstacles in between, did not met with an this thing accident or कुछ भी ऐसा नहीं हुआ उसके साथ. Trees came running towards them, but then stopped as the bus reached them and simply stood there helpless for a moment by the side of the road before rushing away in another direction. Okay, now see, when the bus was moving, okay, जब बस मूव होती है या जिस भी गाड़ी में हम मूव करते हैं तो क्या होता है, ऐसा लगता है इफ द ट्रीज आर ऑपोजिट डायरेक्शन में, जो ट्रीज होते हैं ऐसा लगता है द ट्रीज आर रशिंग टूवर्ड्स अस. ऐसा ही होता है ना तो यहाँ पर भी यही हो रहा था, ऐसा लग रहा था इफ द ट्रीज वर रशिंग टूवर्ड्स द बस, और वो बिल्कुल रश करती भागती हुई एकदम स्टॉप हो जाती as soon as the bus would stop. Okay, and then as the bus crossed them, और बस जैसे ही उनको क्रॉस करती, ऐसा अपीयर होता है as if the trees were running away from the bus in some other direction. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Everyone?
Yes.
Everyone, is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
See, you visualize it. You might have traveled by bus, okay? You might have traveled in a train, right? In cars and all, in car or in some other vehicle. क्या लगता है as if जो सामने वाले पेड़ हैं, they are rushing towards us, okay? और जैसे ही कोई vehicle रुकता है, even they stop. And when the vehicle it moves forward, तो क्या होता है, वो बचे हुए पेड़ ऐसा लगता है they are just moving away in the opposite direction, दूसरे direction में जा रहे हैं. Suddenly Wali clapped her hands with glee. Glee means happiness. A young cow, tail high in the air, was running very fast right in the middle of the road, right in front of the bus. Suddenly Wali जो थी बड़ी खुश हो गई, जोर जोर से clapping करने लगी. उसने देखा एक young cow थी, okay, tall high in the air, बिल्कुल. That cow, it was running very fast, बिल्कुल in the middle of the road. All these scenes even we see so many times when we are there on the road, right in front of the bus. The bus slowed to a crawl. Now the speed of the bus, it slowed down, and the driver sounded his horn loudly again and again. What do the drivers do? यही करते हैं ना, they keep on sounding the horns बजाते रहते हैं. तो यहाँ भी ड्राइवर जो था जोर जोर से हॉर्न बजाने लगा. But the more he honked, the more frightened the animal became, and the faster it galloped, always right in front of the bus. Okay, अब क्या हो गया, वो तो बहुत जोर जोर से the driver was honking, लेकिन ये था कि उससे वो जो जानवर था, that cow, who was there in the middle of the road, just ahead of the bus, in front of the bus, it did not move from there. Instead, it became more terrified, बहुत ज्यादा डर गई, and it ran just in front of the bus. Okay, और जोर जोर से भागने लगी, इतनी wild हो गई वो, it started running faster and faster. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Now somehow this was very funny to Ali. She laughed and laughed until there were tears in her eyes. Okay. Sometimes when you laugh a lot, what happens? The water comes in your eyes, है ना, पानी आ जाता है आंखों में. तो इस extent तक Wali laughed that laughter it brought tears, okay, to her eyes. Hey lady, haven't you laughed enough? Called the conductor. Better save some for tomorrow. Okay. Again, the conductor, he started teasing her कि oh, you laugh so much. कुछ हंसी कल के लिए भी तो बचा के रखो. Save some laughter for tomorrow. At last, the cow moved off the road. और finally, क्या होता है? The cow, it went off the road and soon the bus came to a railroad crossing. Or bus जो थी, it came and stopped on a crossing. A speck of a train could be seen in the distance. And now a speck of a train means a glimpse of a train. It could be seen. एक दूर से एक tiny dot दिख रहा था, लेकिन जैसे जैसे पास आ रही थी, it was growing bigger and bigger as it drew near, means as the train was coming near. Then it rushed past the crossing gate with a tremendous roar and rattle, shaking the bus. Okay, what happens when the uh, train it passes? What does it do? It makes tremendous roaring and rattling sound. Okay, बहुत ज़्यादा शोर शराबा करती हुई train, it passes in a fast speed. Similarly, it happened on the railway crossing. Then the bus went on and passed the train station, and then the railway crossing it was opened, and the bus it moved on. It passed the train station. From there, it traversed a busy, well laid out shopping street. And from there, it it moved towards a well laid shopping street. बढ़िया सी shopping street थी. वहाँ पे the bus, it started moving, turning, entered a wide thoroughfare. और फिर उसके बाद बस ने turn लिया and it went on a thoroughfare. Thoroughfare, the meaning has been given ना, जो busy public road होती है. Such big, bright looking shops. Okay. Now it was a beautiful market, beautiful shops were there. Got it? Big and bright shops were there on the road that displayed so many things for sale. What glittering displays of clothes and other merchandise. Merchandise means things that are for sale, such big crowds. Now she has seen the town maybe for the first time. So, as we have in the towns and the cities, all the glittering showrooms, the shops that displays the things, the material. So she saw it very for the very first time, and she was just quite happy as well as surprised to see. Clear,
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, then we'll stop here. Stop here. Right? We'll stop here only, beta. Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
And